Let me just check the time. Oh, I think it's time to pick up the twins. You know, they can wait a bit. Let me just finish this a second.
And this is why 2 times 5 equals 10. Y'all get it there? Alright, get out of my house right now.
Yes, finally.
Hey guys, I'm Olivia and I stopped by here just to get a snack before I go to cheer practice. Hello and welcome. What can I get for you today? I've got my food now I'm just gonna start heading to cheer. Let me check the time now, it's been quite a while.
Oh my gosh, I have to pick up the twins!
Let me just get my stuff and go right now.
It's raining and we don't even have a raincoat.
Sorry I'm late, guys. That was just, you know.
Can we just hurry up and get out of the rain? My hair is getting wet.
Alright then, let's just go. Hey girls, I have to go pick up Olivia. Can I trust you guys to stay home all by yourselves?
All by ourselves? Like alone?
Yes, all by yourselves, but you guys have to promise me that you will behave while I'm gone.
Oh no, don't worry, of course we will behave.
You're making me a little bit concerned. Maybe don't stay home by yourselves?
What? We'll behave, yeah, we'll behave. Yeah, don't worry about us, we'll behave, yeah.
Okay then, I'm hoping I can trust you guys. See you later.
Yeah, bye mom, we go do that, yeah. Yay! Oh my gosh, she's staying home by herself.
Hi mom. Hey honey, how was school and cheer today? It was quite good, thank you. Hey twins, we're back home.
Oh my god, what did you guys do to the kitchen?
You guys, what on earth did you do?
We were, baking something.
Baking? Look at the mess you made.
I'm sure we can clean this up quite quickly, right?
Hi guys, right now I'm making dinner for the kids and I thought that I'd make some noodles for today. Guys, come down and eat. Oh, I heard mom calling us down to come and eat.
Oh my gosh, I finally have ramen noodles. Yay! Yay! Love ramen noodles.
Okay, come sit down and eat then. Thank you so much for the food, ma'am. Of course, you're welcome.
Thank you so much for the food.
Whoa, thank you, and I'm glad you like the food.